Imagine unlimited production and never buy back scallion seeds, aka green onion seeds, never in your life. If you see this right here, the flowers will start growing, it's producing seeds. This is the process of producing seed right now. This is the second year that I'm growing in a 10-gallon container, and you could see how fat, thick green my scallions are, very healthy to the max in soil. So I'm going to explain how did we get to this step, how it was so easy and simple to get green onions look so healthy, massive and thick green onions, how we're getting free seeds and how we're getting more seeds for a lifetime. We could actually get production easily right at home. Now, when you're doing this, you cannot grow in water. I know a lot of people grow in water, but it's not going to work. You have to grow in soil. This process can't happen in the first year. The plant is premature, still young, still a baby. It's not going to happen. So let's say, example, you bought scallion seeds, or you went to an organic store and you bought scallions and you plant them. In the first year, you're going to get production. You're going to get harvest. Harvest between 6 to 8 inches, and just cut at the bottom, which I'm going to show you, and it'll just keep growing right back. It'll grow new shoots all the time. The other thing I'm going to tell you, in the second year now, throughout the winter, if you live in a season like the plant will look like, it's getting all brown and dried up, look like it's, it's done, but it's not done. Come back next spring, it's going to start shoot out new scallions and your plant cycle begins. Now in the second year, that's when we're going to get seeds. These are green onions, very healthy looking. So now we got fresh young seeds are growing right here, look like a flower. These are ready. You see how it's like brown, dried up, but you could see like that black seeds inside. Let me show you guys, which I'm going to cut and tell you right now. Listen, green onions and scallions, you could harvest 6 to 8 inches and they will continue regrow all the time. No need to pull out the plant. All right, so I hope you guys could see we got it right here. After we cut this off, we could still eat the green onions at the bottom. You could get like paper plate, or you could get paper bag, and you want to shake it all out. It's going to be a little messy. Sometimes it stucks in there, but look, we're going to open, look at that. Wow. See that right there? That little black thing right there, that's what you call green onion seeds. So we got a bunch here, which we just have to get them all out. Got about at least 30 seeds right now in there, and we still got more to harvest. You could use a plastic container, BBA free, to store the seeds. You could use a paper envelope to store it, or mason jar, and it would last only for 1 to 2 years. And if you want, you could take these right now and just replant them. Green onions are cool season crops. They grow better in cool temperature. When it comes down to harvest, I come about, let's say here, see right here, I'll come right here and I cut at least 1 inch above, and I keep cutting. The smell is amazing. The brown tip, just always cut this piece off and then compost is back. That's normal. Wow, look at that. All right, so what I do, I normally wash them. I leave them on the countertop to air dry. I get a pair of scissors and I cut them into small round circle pieces, and then I freeze them. And every time I'm ready to cook, or we're making soup or anything, we just grab a handful and we throw it inside, and it keeps fresh, healthy, and delicious. Scallions and green onion seeds, they last between 1 to 2 years. So you have to make sure you write on the label of the seeds which year you save it, so this way you know. You do not want to plant a seed that's way too long, and you're not going to get a germination, and you're going to be a setback for the season. So when it comes down to fertilizer, I add a regular organic all-purpose fertilizer and increase the nitrogen a little bit. Use coffee ground, sprinkle some used coffee ground. I keep telling people that. Our little blood meal, that will increase it. Once a month or every 3 weeks is fine. I water every 1 to 2 days because it's getting hot right now, but in springtime, so every 2 to 3 days is perfect, even in the fall time. Harvest between 6 to 8 inches. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's getting really hot. GreenTGarden is injured and broken right now, but we're in healing process, but we do have a lot of videos coming up, so please don't forget to like and subscribe.